Let's learn how to insert an SD card into the Samsung Galaxy A15. So you're going to get the SIM card ejector, okay? SIM card ejector, that one, which you're going to use to press in that hole so that you actually get this tray that usually allows the SD card and the SIM cards to be inserted within the device, okay? So you're going to actually pull it out from right there. You see that? So get your hand like that to get the tray out. You see that? Now, when the tray is out, you notice that one side of the tray actually allows a SIM card to be placed. Right now, that's the uppermost surface, allowing the SIM card tray. That allows one SIM card. Then the other side, that's why you can actually see, you can insert the SD card. You see that? Micro SD. Now, you're going to get your SD card right there. Notice the orientation of all those corners and place it very well alongside that part right there. You see that? Place it right there and make sure it's well aligned very well, okay? And there it is placed on the tray. You can see that, right? So you're going to get it and reinsert it back into the slot right there, and then push it very gently, and be sure to monitor the orientation as how I'm putting it. Okay, now after inserting it, go to the My Files application to make sure that the SIM card is actually ready. You can actually see the SIM card is right there and it's inserted within your Samsung Galaxy A15. That is how you insert the SD card into Samsung Galaxy A15.